Hello and welcome. Let's design the contact page because we will learn about how you can design the form and how you can give them a style, something like that in this video. So the section for the contact would be under the about. This is one section. Now the other section would be about the contact section. Of course we will use this section and I'll give this section ID of contact. For now I'll just give this each one and a section title class. For now contact us. If I come here and refresh the page, as you can see, contact us will be here because it is because we specify that anything with the class of section title must have a property of text align to center. That's why it shows in the center of the page. Now we will put contact form here under this. So let's put it here. We'll open the form. We do not give them any action. Action is of course where you are going to send the form after someone submit the form, where you are going to send. As I said, every form must have a button. The button would be send, anything you can give. And now you can give a class of button. If you give the class of button, refresh the page, as you can see the button looks like the button we have here. As you can see, it is just fine for us. And next up we should put them in order. The way I designed the contact form would be something like this. There should be a name and email appear here, and then we should ask for any other things like website, and we must have a form here for their message. There should be two sides here, so the three fields should be here and one field for the message in this side. I'll come here and design it that way. So the button also should be under them. So as you know, we are using Flexbox, so we have the flex container here because we have a flex container class already. So I'll have two flex items here. One is here and the other one here. For now, if I come down, this is the right one and this is the left one. Let's say left side. For now, to see if it is working, yes, this is the left and this is the right one. So we should add our form here. Instead of putting there, we must have the form to display it here. So the way we do is just simply using label. We have for the name asking name of the person, and inside this one we have an input. You can put outside, and if you put inside, it does not matter. It's going to be text. At end must have a class of form. It must have an ID for the text, the name, and something like this. If I refresh, it will be like this, and under this I will duplicate this line of code a few times. I must show you how you can write a clean code in the next video using some extensions. For now it is a little bit difficult because I must align the code as I am writing them. So this is fine. Name, email, and maybe website. Of course the type for this one should be email, and the type for this one should be URL. We have already discussed this. They have the same class. If I refresh them, it will appear like this, but I want them to be downside there. So what I want to do, you can put them in paragraph or just select the label and say text align should be in the other position. For now I'll put them it will BR here. This is not the best practice, of course we will do them in the future lesson. Refresh. Now it will appear like this, and the right should be also okay. The right is of course here. Next up we will put the contact, and here should be a form for our message where we put all the messages. Beside that one we will put the button also here, so there should be label for the message. I'll save it. I'll come outside this one. For this one we use text area, the name is message, and the ID is also message. It has a basic column, and it must have a class of form as well. If I refresh my page, it will look like this. Again, I can put this paragraph in the button inside a little paragraph, because paragraph is the inline of the paragraph is by default block, and it will display it like this. You can put this one also in block, but as you can see the design is very ugly. But in the next video I'll design how you can give them better designs. So I hope it has been informative for you. If you have any questions so far, feel free to ask below the video. In the next video we will design it. Thank you for watching.